Hey folks, it's Josh with TechBee. In this video, let's check out the most suitable models for you based on price, performance, durability, and more. If you wish to know more, go through the links given down the description. Let's get started.
The right toothbrush for you depends on your personal preference. Do you want a classic brush that costs a couple bucks at the drugstore? Or do you want to shell out for an electric brush that'll do some work?
Not everyone can afford big bucks on the pricey models on the market. This one is the right pick for you if you're looking for a budget option.
The OralB 1000 Cross Action. It's identifiable by their small round brush heads. This brush can both rotate and vibrate. It can turn 44,000 times a minute, which can disrupt lots of plaque. One study even shows a rotating and oscillating toothbrush can have a small edge over comparable ones that simply oscillate. This basic and rechargeable model can offer three main features that dentists recommend: soft bristles, a pressure sensor, and a timer. Hard bristles are not good for the mouth as they can damage gums. Brushing too hard can do the same. And finally, the 2-minute timer can vibrate every 30 seconds, ensuring you brush long enough.
If you're looking for something specially made for your kids, this next model fills all your expectations for kids' use.
The Philips Sonicare HX632102. It might not rotate, but it's known for its large flat brush head and oscillating motion. It can use more of the ultrasonic vibrational energy for disrupting plaque. The sonic power can shake off plaque and tartar, aiding the removal of all gingivitis causing bacteria holding compounds, even without a rotating head. This Sonicare brush can give you and your kids a good cleaning. While its bristles can only sweep back and forth, this brush can send vibrations meant for breaking up particles and debris and allowing toothpaste and fluids to access hard-to-reach places. This model also has a timer, a pressure sensor, and dentist-recommended soft bristles.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
The OralB Pro 7000 Smart Series. This version of a tricked-out toothbrush has all the standard features, plus 6 cleaning modes, including one for your tongue. It's got a light pressure sensor and even Bluetooth connectivity, so you can track your brushing habits on your phone. And because of the small brush heads, OralB brushes are a good pick if your mouth is on the smaller side or if you have gagging issues. A small brush head makes it easy for some people to reach their molars. If you got braces or other orthodontics, you might prefer this brush from OralB. Further, it's made of different high-tech materials like silicone and so much more.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
The Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Smart 9750. If you know the feel of a Sonicare, this high-end version can offer the same deep clean mode with more bells and whistles. It features 5 different brushing modes, including sensitive and gum care. You get the closest approximation to that thorough dentist squeaky clean with this toothbrush. From now on, brushing is going to feel like a mouth massage. This is gentle, while still providing adequate pressure. This model can also offer more creature comforts, like the little glass that the Diamond sits in for charging. Plus, at higher price points, its internal mechanicals are better made. It'll hold up over time. It's indeed just like a Ferrari, but a toothbrush.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
The Fairywill Electric. It's made of powerful ultrasonic technology that gives you over a mouth's worth of manual brush strokes in less than 2 minutes. This powerful sonic movement whips up toothpaste into micro bubbles, which drives them deep in between teeth and gum lines for gentle, effective cleaning. It can take out more strains, but also eliminates doubt in the quality of your brushing. It truly is engineered for performing. And overall, this gives an upgraded brushing experience, more than a regular toothbrush. Its one 4-hour charge can last 30 days. Also, it comes with USB charging, which is great for traveling as well.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comments section below.
The Philips Sonicare HX5X1101 Essence. Taking care of your oral health is comfortable with this toothbrush here. It's rechargeable and features soft contoured bristles and patented sonic technology for taking out plaque in hard-to-reach gentle areas. It's got an easy start feature that can help adjust the Sonicare experience, while the 2-minute smart timer can ensure you brush thoroughly. You only need to apply light pressure when gliding this brush over your teeth. The essence will do the work for you through the high-speed bristle motion and dynamic cleaning action. Because the essence can last up to 2 weeks between charges, you can even leave the charger at home for travels. And for convenience, this comes with a soft travel case and hygienic travel cap.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
The Waterpick Complete Care. Consider this 2-in-1 model that combines the best of both devices if you're shopping for an electric toothbrush and a water flosser. Compared to regular flossing, water flossing is less technique sensitive and helps get the same narrow space between your teeth. However, do keep in mind a water flosser does not take traditional flossing. It would be best if you still got that string between your teeth to clean correctly once in a while. This one is also perfect for anyone with braces, implants, or crowns. For water flossing, simply fill the reservoir with water, point the tip at the gum line, and just floss. You could also use warm water for sensitive teeth and add mouthwash.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.